This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 368 TBH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, smoke detector, TV antenna, self-contained, slide-out, leveling jacks, oven, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 368 TBH is 9,849 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 368 TBH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.